three. All right, today we're going to bring in the actual pole in here. We're going to be streaming in our computer here. We're going to set it up right now so you guys can see it. The control has multiple options, all right? You can do options, any option, you could change it. But you have to point them down to the IR because the IR is connected right behind it. So if I click on this one, it's going to change it. Look at this. Sparkling. So a streamer, this is for a streamer or background. Look at that. The pole is super bright, if you guys can see that. I'm going to close the door so you guys can see how bright it is in here. Beautiful. And then it has multiple channels. So you could just change solid colors if you want. And it has so many options on the controller that I'm still learning it. There's so many different colors. Like you could put rainbow. Look at this. Look at that. All right, today we're gonna bring in the magic lantern, and I do have it for iOS and Droid, but we're gonna do Droid first. We're gonna open it up, and it's gonna open up the application. Here we have a lot of little features. We could change the lighting from here. Automatically picked up. I didn't have to do anything. It automatically went into the mode. You guys can see that. And then you could tone any color you want. Like you change any color you want here. Very simple. And on styles, different styles. Magic forward. I like these styles. See the so many styles, different styles, all sorts. And you could change the speed too. The speed is look at all these. They have hundreds of them. Curtains. Look at that. Look at this beautiful one, man. So they got a lot of features in here. And then we can always go to music and allowed your features. So we're gonna allow our music. Test 1 2 3. So it's playing from our music. We're gonna go mic test 1 2 3 test 1 2 3. So anything on my mic, if you guys can see it, it's actually playing pretty good on that one. Schedule, you could schedule a time, you could repeat the time, you could change styles, you could do anything, any kind of mode. Adjustments is very simple. We'll go back to white. That's pretty much it. So very simple. Easy to use, easy to install. Didn't have to make any changes. You could turn it off and on. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.